the second page, and you touched on this, where Warrant Officer Mpangase gives the reason why the items are being taken out of Isipingo, and he says items taken for analysis. Is it a correct understanding for me to understand this to mean these, as far as this is concerned, this document, these exhibits remained under the control of Isipingo? They were just taken out for analysis?
No.
They were not being transferred to another police station?
No, it does not remain under the custodianship or command of the Isipingo station commander. Mpangase assumed full responsibility for the exhibits when he booked it out.
Okay, maybe let me ask it differently. So let's say, forget that we have 194 CJC, forget about it. Imagine it's not there. And all I have is this 193. And I look there where it says item taken for analysis. It gives me Mpangase and his first number. Should I expect that if I go to Isipingo, if this is all I'm dealing with, if I go to Isipingo, I should find these exhibits there? Because he says they've been taken out for analysis, or does it mean taken out for analysis ordinarily would even include transferring them to a different station?
Commissioner, it can only mean what he has said here. It's taken for analysis. So it's not supposed to be at Isipingo station further. The only place it can be will be at the different police station, but in terms of this entry, it's supposed to be at the Forensic Science Laboratory,
Yes.
and at no other place.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Silo, I want to ask a question, and please feel free to stop me if you're still coming to it, because I may be getting ahead of myself.
Thank you.
General, shouldn't there be another document akin to CJC's 193 and 194 reflecting the arrival of these exhibits at the Port Shepstone DPCI offices and their storage there? Shouldn't there be a document that accounts for that process?
Commissioner, in the normal way of going about investigations, obviously there will be contemporaneous notes and statements filed to that effect. But here it's clear that there was no SAP 13 register at the unit in Port Shepstone.